Hey everybody, I am doing something really silly today. I just want you guys to know, those of you that are dropping in, tomorrow's morning blessing is simply all about the New Year's resolutions. So that's why I decided to do a short impromptu live. And that live, I just want to talk to you about New Year's resolutions because you see, with the 5 pillars of prosperity, when I do New Year's resolutions, we start in September. That's when we do a plan for those things. September, that's when we start to plan our goals for the year coming. Because if you wait until January to get online with your goals, dreams, and desires, guess what? You are at the station and the train is pulling out. That's what has happened. You are at the train station and the train is chugging along and you're running catch up 2026. So most of my followers and the people I coach, and when I do my speaking engagement, I talk about setting your dream goals and desires for the coming year in September. So by the time the year comes, you have nurtured it, you have chopped it, you've fixed it, you know exactly where you're going. So this is why I am doing this today. So did you make a New Year's resolution? Guess what? On January 15th, 27% of New Year's resolutions makers have already given up. 23% are holding on because of shame or guilt. 32% will die by summer of 2026. And only 18% will be successful by December 31st, 2026. Where are you choosing to be? So tomorrow is January 15th, 14th, and I'm talking about it today. But when I'm talking to you tomorrow, it will be the 14th. And I'll be saying it's the 15th. For 27% of you, your dreams are about to die. But not on my watch, not on my watch. Because you see, I am who I am. I'm Tessa-Marie Shillingford. And today, we are turning your resolutions into sustainable realities. That's what we're doing. So when I show up with you tomorrow, get ready, get your books, get your pen, get your paper, and start writing what it is you want. Be more into it than you are. It's already late. Most of those goals will be dead by Thursday, the 15th. 27% of dream goals and desires, people just plain give up. 23% are holding on because people are just shame and guilt. So, I am here to tell you, I am here to inspire you, educate you, so that you can be in the 18% that are reach a sustainable reality in 2026 on December 31st. Today is about the mental pillar and the physical pillar. What are you doing? So take charge of your goals. You made it. You sat there with your friends or having champagne and say, I have New Year's resolution. I'm going to lose 20 pounds. I'm going to do this. And I'm going to send all of these wonderful things for myself. But you just spoke it. Where is your goal setting journal? I have them on Amazon. I have the gratitude journal. Get one. Look at it. These are my goals. I am still writing goals. Remember, I am 80 years old in 4 months. And I have dream goals and desires. What about you? Did you just say, I'm not doing this, and you're just letting the energy of the world just drag you along? Are you? Then you're falling into the trap. And if you waited January 1st, today's the 13th, the train left the station as you're coming in with your little ticket. Are you going to be there on time on December 31st, 2026? Let us make sure you get there on time. And the only way to get there on time is to nurture those goals. Talk about them, write to them. And tomorrow I'll give you all the tips you want. So join me tomorrow at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for us to do this, all of us together, and get there. Remember, I have 80 years of doing this thing. So I should have some little tips to give you, some little trips to give you, and some encouragement. So thank you to those of you that just drop in, like Marina, like my sister, my cousin, and Joe Park, and my nephew that just dropped in to help, to support this. I really and truly am doing this because I love to see people succeed. So join me and follow. Go to my YouTube channel and you'll get more information on goal setting. Just check it out. And because I do these shorts every day and I can send them out to you. So have a great and wonderful afternoon. Areto, thank you for coming. I love you and I'm grateful for each and every one of you. Have a great afternoon, everybody. Bye on TikTok. See you guys on Instagram. And Marina, thanks. I know you're somewhere in the world, but I have no idea. And you're having fun sending me rainbows. Thank you. I'm so glad you said I'm an amazing person. I love a little compliment. Joy Tabak, how are you? Ezra, my nephew, and my sister. Thank you, guys. I'll see you guys at the other time or the other time tomorrow morning. Take care. Love you. Bye.